All right, let's go over some of the new products with LiveGood. Okay, so if you have not joined LiveGood yet, that's cool. All right, we need you to be an affiliate. Let's earn you some money. That'd be kind of awesome, right? And if you're in LiveGood already, you need to follow me. Okay, you guys ready? Log into your business. All right. And you know what? If you want to look into, joining, just go to joincory.com. Okay. And I'll promote this link at the end. Okay. This is the Live Good website that you're going to get if you join. All right. And look at all these great products. When I joined a year and a half ago, we had like 3 products, and now look at how many we have. Oh my God, this is so exciting. When we have more products, it just generates more sales and more people that want to sign up as affiliates, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, you guys want sexy skin? All right, I'm getting down to the bottom. Here's one of our newest products, CBN. All right, you guys need some help sleeping? Chew on these little babies. It tastes good, all right, and it make you sleep like a baby. All right, guys, it's Valentine's coming up in a few days. Get the vitality. Okay, get that vitality. Do you want to see where it's at? It's right there. All right, men's hormone support, boost energy and stamina, improve libido. Guys, come on now. Breaker 19. This stuff's cheap. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, mostly ladies, because I think ladies, you guys care about your skin more than us dudes. All right, but look at this. The Vita Glow just came out. This enriched toner, instant youthy, and the ageless renewal. Look at that, even sexy new packaging. All cheap as hell, guys. I'm telling you. And if you want more information, hit this little white rectangle button on all the products, learn more. You guys can see the wholesale retail pricing. And the shipping is just the United States Post Office with tracking here in America. And if you are outside of America, we use DHL International. That's with tracking too. We're setting up distribution centers all over the place, guys. So if you do live like in Asian areas, let's say, oh my gosh, there's so many. There's India, of course, and right across some dirt is good old China, right? And how about that, Japan? South Korea is doing really well. Good job, guys. And Malaysia. So many. Is it Kazakhstan? That is so funny. Isn't that where Borat was from in that movie Borat back like 10, 15 years ago? But yeah, I see their flag on the leaderboard all the time. Here in America, down below in Mexico, up in Canada, we're kicking some butt over here in North America, Africa too, all right? This is a worldwide endeavor. So if you're thinking of joining, you're going to get friends all over the world, okay? That's my experience, okay? I just don't go, okay, I want people in Utah and California to join. Half my downline or more are from outside of the country. All right, so it's kind of fun to meet a lot of nice people on this thing called Earth. Okay, now check out all the products, order some if you can. Don't be shy. Now go to the FAQ. This is important because you're going to have a lot of questions. All right, and you can always get a hold of support@livegood.com, but go here. Talks about, account management, how the comp plan is, the membership, the orders, the shipping, and products. All right, just go through everything here. All right, then go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your website, and it'll say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Okay, this is what it looks like. It'll have this green lettered affiliate. We have 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. You don't have to buy products. We do not commission the product side. All right, we are a membership-based company like Costco and Netflixy, a lot of other cool companies like Amazon Prime. Go to the very bottom and watch this YouTube video produced by LiveGood. It's so good. It by far explains the comp plan the best. Okay, so here's the homework. You guys ready? Go to the LiveGood website, watch affiliate pay plan link with this video. Please go to the FAQ, all right? It just says FAQ. It doesn't say frequently asked questions, okay? And then just go to the tab that says products. And guys, if you're in LiveGood already and you're logged in, it'll say the word shop. But look at all those products, just juicy and yummy. All right? I've had a good experience in this company. I have over 400 people signed up, just personally. All right? And this is all I do. I just go to joincory.com. I make a little business card at Vistaprint like this red one here, and I let video do everything. Please don't get all caught up in thinking you have to do even a video like this or a webinar or Zoom. Just go like this. Hey, go to joincory.com, and then you forward it to the LiveGood capture page, and you have your own capture page. It looks exactly like this. So if you want, just configure, your new domain name to bounce to this page with the guy with the blue shirt. People will put in their name and email address, click reserve my position. They'll either get more info about LiveGood or they can join. They'll get a LiveGood email. Okay, so I keep things simple. Keep it simple, keep it fun. And now I'm done. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, go to Cory at CoryDraper.com. Okay? All right, we'll talk to you later, guys. Thanks. Bye.